So here is a dead tree, and mere meters away is a living tree, both elm. And this is the crux of the issue. What is it within each of them, their genes, their field tolerance, that makes them survive this way? We are trying to identify these specimens and then spread them back out across the country. And then hopefully we can see the return of the elm.
Raising the dead, raising the dead. And those old songs are twitching with the knees that are pitching, and the fair worlds are grinning, and we all got it spinning to the place where he lived and the room that he died in. There's a new song playing on the radio that night. Oh, oh, raising the dead, raising the dead, raising the dead. Oh, oh, raising the dead, raising the dead, raising the dead. He operates on a low frequency.
So we are here at the Big Beef, an estate owned by the Borders Forest Trust. And here we happen upon two employees, horticulturists, experts of the botanics. So, and I wonder, so nice to meet you guys. Yeah.
You too.
What are we doing here today?
Right, so we're here today to collect sample material from these old elms that you see before us. So Rachel is busy currently collecting material that will be used for DNA sampling in these little tea bags. And we are also collecting material, both softwood and hardwood material, to take cuttings. So that's material that we will take back to the nursery at the botanics and propagate on, hopefully, into little clonal trees all of their own. The main reason we're coming to look at elms such as these is these are ones that have been shown to be resilient to Dutch elm disease. So they're in areas that have been really badly hit by Dutch elm disease over the years, but these trees so far are showing signs of resilience. So we're looking to harness whatever resilience they have and try and work out what's going on, what's special with these ones.
I like that, harness resilience. That's good. Yeah, we want to harness resilience.
We do.
Yeah, exactly. What's going on with the tree there? Why is that Dutch elm disease?
It's been ring-barked by horses, unfortunately, up to like pretty much where they can reach. So I think our elm guy, Max Coleman, reckons they've got about a year left.
Yeah,
So
you
it's
can
good to
see
get material while we can.
the browsing from horses.
Yeah, so you can see the little teeth marks, all these scratches in the bark.
Yeah.
They do have some growth lower down, so you never know. And elm is pretty good at regenerating from the bottom up. But yeah, it's
What happens here?
That's
Fence
an old
post.
fence post, yeah. But horses have been the historic enemy of trees, you know.
Yeah.
It's been a bloody battle waged.
Four-legged mammals.
Yeah. The horse, the domesticated deer.
Yeah, horse,
Yeah.
deer, goats.
Okay, thanks. We'll be returning to the botanical tour in one moment.
Because I don't, I know with aspen, but I don't know with elms, what species these are host to. Oh, they're host to a very rare caterpillar.
The white hair streak. But the whole point of us doing cuttings from these specific trees is because
Dutch elm.
they're showing resistance to Dutch elm disease. And so we're trying to continue that trait through.
But it would be good to know, we need to find out some information about what elm contributes
To society.
to the habitat.
Yeah, what do you even do?
Come on, guys.
What do you do, elm? So, Emma, why should we care about the elm?
No, don't! Stop it! You're terrible. Okay. Have you stopped recording yet? I'll do it again. I'm not turning around.
Doing right now, Emma.
Oh, so this morning, so we're back at the nursery in the beautiful work shed that we have, and we are currently going through our softwood cuttings. So we've got material that we collected yesterday from trees in the borders. Let me find a nice one. Here we go. So what we're doing is we're cutting them up into lengths for cuttings that will go onto a mist bench and hopefully live long and prosper. So that's it.
Is this going to be successful? What's the rate of success for these type of cuttings?
So elm is a tricky one to grow from cuttings. The success rate for hardwood cuttings, I think, can be as low as 20%, which isn't great. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm dipping them in rooting hormone powder, which is this lovely purple jelly, and that will encourage them to root. They're going into a mix that is pretty open and free draining, so it's like quite a barky mix with the white stuff. It's perlite. So yeah, that keeps it very open, aerated, so hopefully they shouldn't rot.
Yeah, and the leaves are cut to take the pressure off the growing energy, basically.
Yeah, that's right. So the elm have really big leaves, and so when we're making cuttings, the cutting is going to be constantly transpiring, so it's going to be breathing, and it's going to be losing moisture all the time through the big leaf. And ordinarily that's fine for plants because they've got roots and they can take up moisture from the ground. But with these guys, they don't have roots yet, so just to reduce a bit of that pressure on moisture loss, you'll cut the leaf in half.
Nice. Yeah.
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 Nice. I mean, it's cruel to be kind,
Yeah.
I suppose.
Yeah, exactly. You've got a wound to grow. Yeah. And Rachel, what's your favourite type of cutting and propagation?
My favourite type of cutting?
Yeah, and propagation. You know, what type of prop do you like to do?
I guess what we're doing with the sorbus and headwindia right now is like micro propagation.
Yeah.
So we're taking growth buds and we're growing them in agar with the goal of eventually taking micro cuttings from that material. But it's cool because it's not taking like a huge impact on the wild populations because we're taking such little material to grow from. Which when you're working with rare plants is really handy.
Okay. And what's this you're prepping here?
This is the 50-50 perlite and potting bark that we're using to grow the elm cuttings in, and I'm just filling root strainers with them.
Okay.
You're going to fix them?
Yes. Yeah, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it to get out from behind the camera.
So long, broken parts of me. I will fix you up inside my dream. How is it but to do or die?